Are you prepared to make a statement and captivate everyone around you? Our Ultimate Lipstick collection is designed to empower you and ensure you shine in any setting. Picture a luxurious blend of high-quality formulation and breathtaking color that is uniquely tailored for you. You deserve a selection of richly pigmented hues that resonate with your diverse moods and personalities. Choose from an exquisite palette of 12 vibrant shades, from striking reds that exude confidence to alluring nudes that evoke sophistication. Each lipstick is crafted for all-day wear, featuring a smudge-proof and transfer-resistant formula that lets you embrace every moment without the need for constant touch-ups, guaranteeing flawless lips from your morning coffee to those late-night selfies. Indulge in the velvety matte finish that feels incredibly light on your lips. Bid farewell to dryness. Our revolutionary formula ensures that your lips remain smooth and hydrated throughout the day. Enriched with skin-nourishing ingredients such as vitamin E and shea butter, it provides essential moisture with every swipe, elevating your lip care experience. Furthermore, our commitment to ethical beauty means that all our lipsticks are halal certified and cruelty-free. Wear your beauty with pride, knowing that you're embracing a product that aligns with your values. This collection is perfect for any occasion, whether you're attending a wedding, enjoying a brunch date, or wanting to add a touch of glam to your office look. Your lips deserve more than just color. They deserve to exude confidence and attract compliments. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your beauty routine. Click the link in the description to explore and secure your favorites from the Ultimate Lipstick collection. Elevate your makeup game and unleash your inner power today.